Hi, everyone. It's Professor Hall. Welcome to week 6 of your Harlem Renaissance literature course. We are, of course, continuing in our 5th module. So module 5, Wallace Thurman. We're on week 2. Last time you explored the first 2 parts of The Blacker the Berry. So you saw Emma Lou growing up in Boise, Idaho, where she's really the only Black student at her school. So it's not really a completely safe space for her. But more importantly, she's facing discrimination within her family, and some of the messaging she gets from her family members with their lighter skin, and they're looking down on her with her darker complexion. We see how that's setting her up for a lot of questions about her identity and a lot of insecurities. From there, she went to the University of Southern California, and she was hoping to find acceptance with other Black students. And then she realizes, oh, there's colorism here as well, and she feels isolated and rejected. So where else is she going to go but Harlem? And she thinks it's a place she can finally belong, and she struggles with self-acceptance there, finding difficulty, finding employment, meeting various people, and confronting and reflecting upon her own internalized prejudices. And that is where we left off for last week, this cycle of insecurities and disappointments and all of that kind of thing. So, will life get better for Emma Lou, especially as she enters into friendships and romantic relationships with the various characters that she is encountering? That's our question for this part of the book. Is there a resolution, or is there a solution to the colorism problem? You've got a lecture from me on The Blacker the Berry. Then you have the optional video. Please watch it. Great Black Books presents The Blacker the Berry. And then we will have a discussion forum where we can all talk about our thoughts and feelings and all of that about this book. It's a short book. I know it's a novella. I thought that it would work well for our summer class, and I hope that you enjoy it. And I hope that we get some great discussion out of it. Because it really was an important work of the time period. And I think it does what he set out to do. What I said last week, that, he's trying to depict the realities of life and not just have characters who are perfect and without flaws, right? And because he was trying to do that, I think we get a really strong sense of what Harlem was like at the time. And I'm really happy that he wrote the book in that way, so that we can have a little piece of history as well as the literature. So that's it. Thanks, everybody.